Uber drivers don't earn a fixed hourly wage. Every hour changes based on demand, trip distance, surge pricing, and how many drivers are active in your area at the same time. By the end, you'll understand what actually controls hourly earnings, what drivers typically experience during different times of day, and how to consistently increase what you make per hour without guessing. Hourly pay starts with demand imbalance. When more riders request trips than available drivers, the app increases payout per trip to fill rides faster. When drivers are everywhere, payouts drop because there's no pressure on the system. That single shift explains most of the difference between a slow hour and a strong hour. Trip type also matters. Short city rides can stack quickly, but they often include waiting time between requests. Longer airport or highway trips reduce downtime but lock you into fewer total trips per hour. Where you drive changes your earning pattern more than most people expect. Time of day is another major factor. Rush periods in the morning and evening create consistent ride demand. Late nights can spike in certain cities because fewer drivers are online. Midday hours tend to be less predictable and often depend on local events, weather, or business districts. When drivers talk about good hours, they're usually referring to moments when all three things align: strong demand, higher payout adjustments, and minimal waiting between rides. When those don't align, the same driver can stay busy but earn noticeably less for the time spent online. There are also ways drivers improve consistency. Staying near high-demand zones like airports, entertainment districts, and dense city centers reduces empty driving time. Accepting only high-value trip opportunities when available helps avoid low-payout stretches that drag down hourly performance. Some drivers also use more than one delivery or ride platform to fill gaps when one app slows down. The biggest mistake is staying online during low-demand periods expecting steady flow. The system doesn't guarantee continuous work. It only responds to demand in real time. So the key points are simple. Earnings depend on demand, location, and timing. The same hour can perform very differently based on when and where you drive. And drivers who position themselves around demand, instead of waiting for it, tend to earn more consistently. A practical next step is to track your earnings by time block for a few days, so you can see exactly when your strongest hours actually happen in your area. If this helped clarify how Uber driver pay really works, like the video, and subscribe for more breakdowns on gig apps and real earning strategies.